What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil starting with natural gas, and commodities are running perfectly fine as we predicted from last couple of weeks. And gold has given us some insane moves with silver as well. So first, we're going to do analysis of natural gas as usual. So what do you see here? Price is now getting closer to the level of major resistance. Actually, not a major resistance. It is a good level of resistance from where we had a nice reaction previously. But I'm not expecting a big push down, but expecting some good pullbacks. That is enough to take the profits, and then we're going to ride along with the trend as the price is moving nicely within this trend line. Now, very important to keep an eye on this red zone, which is right here. As you can see, these numbers in blue, and I've already mentioned these zones in my yesterday's video. Feel free to mark these zones on your charts as well. So 5.5650 goes to 3.6597 is an area from where I want to take my sell trades. Now, very important to look for bearish engulfer like this or double top pattern as well. Double top is the strongest pattern from these areas. Now, as we are above 50 EMA, nicely in a good momentum, all I want to see a nice pullback, which is very likely, and after this pullback could be above the trend line, could be above 50 EMA. If you have a solid bullish engulfer like this, in that case I'm gonna go long, and that will be a valid pullback entry. So keep an eye, buy trades with a pullback above 50 EMA, sell trades with the bearish engulfers or double top within this zone which I've already mentioned. So keep an eye and look for your conditions. Without conditions, do not take your trades. It's just gambling. Now here on NEMEX, we are already inside the level of resistance, which is right up there. As you can see, the numbers in blue. So all I want to see, either a bearish engulfer or double top. If there is no condition here and we just have a normal pullback, I'm gonna go long with 1 ATR from a target. I'm gonna go 2 ATR maximum and exit my trade. So keep an eye, buy. I will buy from a 50 EMA or above 50 EMA wherever I get a bullish engulfing pattern, or I will sell from this area. But I want to see a bearish engulfer or double top for my strongest pattern. So keep an eye, buy and sell both we need to look at, but with the conditions only. On Wanda, we are also inside the level of resistance. Now at this point, just look for pullback, bullish engulfer, exactly the same. Nothing has changed. That is all I'm looking at for my buy trades or bearish engulfers or double top within this zone, as we are inside the zone 3.818 that goes down to 3.640, from where we are now looking for the possible sell trades and buy with a pullback if there is no condition. Now we do have a level of above, which is a good level, but we need to see a break above these levels to get to the upper level, upper resistance. So keep an eye. These are the conditions now I'll be looking at for my possible buy entry, 50 EMA, above 50 EMA sell entry if you have a double top pattern. And I'm only expecting a pullback, not a reversal. And I'm not completely selling because we are now above 50 and 20 EMA. That is why I'm going to go for 1 to 2 ATR for my target. Here on gold, what an amazing move we have got here on gold. Now, that is what we call a power of patience and taking your trades with conditions. Now, doesn't matter if there's a news events out there. Doesn't matter what happens out there. But I entered with my buy condition, with my 50% retracement, exactly how I entered right here. I don't know what's happening in the world, but it is my condition. Once I see my condition, I do not want to distract myself with different type of tips coming up and the notification coming up on your phones or on the news. But it is my strategy and exactly how I use my strategy with my trades, which I used right here, successfully hit bigger target, and now I used right here. And it is how many pips target? It is insane amount of profits, which is 10,000 pips. 100 pips move we have predicted, and it has successfully hit the target. And I've said that price is going to pull back from 1.618 retracement, which is the strongest level of Fibonacci retracement of a resistance level if there is no resistance there. Now we are getting a bullish engulfer right here, but let me show you the clip from my last video so that we can connect the dots from there. Fibonacci levels, I will mark my Fibonacci levels again from the new candles, which is right here. And the retracement is likely to 50% right here, from where we might see some sort of rejection and then a possible push back up. So for now, expect a possible retracement. 50% can be buy limit order. Go 1 ATR, 2 ATR and manage your trades to 1.618 retracement for the aggressive traders. We are in the profits of 6,000 pips, and we are looking at 1.618 retracement, which is 10,000 pips. $100 move. That is insane. We are already up around $50, $58 to $60 here, and that is the power of entering with the Fibonacci retracement. Perfect. So as you can see, we entered right here and successfully hit the targets, and now we are looking for the pullback, which we had a pullback as well. So the next candle, if that turns out to be a bullish engulfing candle, in that case we'll have a less aggressive entry, which is my pullback entry bullish. ATR is 17, and I will go for my $17 stop loss and $70 take profit for my buy trades. And you can manage your trades. And I might manage my trades till recent highs, which is right here. It's totally up to you how you want to manage your trades. It is something I would do if I have entry condition. So keep an eye on this bullish engulfer. That could be a risky entry. The good entry will be some more pullback above 50 EMA. And if we have a bullish engulfer right here, that will be a very good entry. This will be a valid but going to be very risky entry. So keep an eye and look for this condition. And it is a very good example how I take my pullback entry bullish. If that close as a bullish engulfer, that is my valid buy signal. Next up, we have silver. Now you see a beauty of conditions and beauty of being patient. Now, if I wanted that if the gold pushes up, I'm already in the sell trade. What will happen if the price of silver will push up as well? Now, I was patient that it is a target I'm looking at and exactly how the price hit the target of silver as well. Easily hitting the targets. Now, so I'm still expecting some pullbacks out of silver. And I'm not buying silver at this point because we have no condition. Yes, if the price push down to 50 EMA and the next candle close back above 50 EMA, in that case, we'll have a valid pullback entry bullish. And keep an eye. So buy with bullish engulfer here or buy once we are broken above these high. Otherwise, I'm not buying. We are still in the sell. As you can see, we can still expect some more push down out of silver. At this point, this bullish engulfer won't be my pullback entry bullish because it invalidates one of my rule. If you are my student, you know what rule is not valid here. So I will not take it as an entry, but it might pushes up as well. My next buy trade will only happen once the price break and close above these high. You might get another double top here, a major one. If you have some more push up and price rejects from here, bearish engulfer or 382 candle will be my sell signal again. So keep an eye and let's see how it goes. With this bullish engulfer in general, that is a signal. That is not my strategy, but general signal that price has a good bullish momentum and it's likely going to push up and hit this rejection box in the previous highs as well. And once we have broken above these highs, only then I'm going to look for my pullback entry bullish. Sell trades will only happen from here or once we have broken below these lows. Finally, we have crude oil. Crude oil is broken above this zone. Now, I have mentioned yesterday, if there is no conditions, means there is no entries. Now, as we are above the zone, at this point, I'm not looking for any sell conditions. I'll be looking to enter my buy trades, which is my pullback entry bullish, or some more momentum, then a pullback back to the zone that has been broken, which is right here, with bullish engulfers or double bottom within this zone. In that case, I will go long from this zone. But some more momentum I want to see, and then a pullback, then a bullish engulfer or double bottom. It is something I want to look for. This zone that has been broken, that has been recently broken. So not selling anymore as we are above the zone as well. Now, as you can see, the zone has been retested again, and that is a likely chance the price of crude oil will now push up from here, looking at this retest. And we have a break above these highs. Structure has been broken. That could be a possible head and shoulder bullish pattern that I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. So keep an eye on these areas and look for buy trades only for crude oil. I won't be selling crude oil anymore. So that is it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.